Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Government taking steps to address challenges of climate change. Prime Minister Imran Khan. Haripur Prime Minister Imran Khan has said that the government taking steps to address the challenges of climate change. Ready to give Sindh equipment to fight bandits. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid said the centre and Sindh will together fight the menace of bandits in the province. DRAP gives approval to locally made PACVAC for general use. DRAP has granted go-ahead to locally made COVID-19 vaccine. US dollar rises against rupee for fourth day in row. The United States dollar continued to appreciate against the Pakistani rupees in the interbank currency market for a fourth day in a row. Punjab launches operation against criminal gang in DJ Khan. Punjab police and other law enforcement agencies launched an operation against notorious gang of criminals in Dera Ghazi Khan. Coronavirus cases deaths continue to go down in Pakistan. The number of COVID-19 cases and deaths continues to go down in Pakistan as the country reported 75 deaths in the last 24 hours, raising the death toll 20,540. 2,726 new COVID-19 cases report. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.